everyone, and welcome to my channel of Learn English and Luganda with Kamlegea Ben. If you're looking forward to learning Luganda and English, I got you covered. So what are you waiting for? Click the notification icon so that you don't miss out any of my videos. That is, subscribe, like, share. Meet up.
Hello teacher, Benny. Translate for me these sentences. I take.
Inze intwale. Inze intwale. So I take, it's like you're asking someone, I take. Inze intwale, a question mark at the end. So inze intwale is I take. Since I is used, that's why we are saying inze intwale.
I take the pen.
Inze intwale peni. Inze intwale peni. I take the pen is inze intwale peni. Like we said, I take inze intwale. So I take the pen inze intwale peni, and the question mark at the end, since it is a question.
I will take the car.
So that one is inze inja kutwala emmotoka. Inze inja kutwala emmotoka. So I will take the car is inze inja. Since we looked at will is inja in Luganda. So I will take inze inja kutwala. I will take the car inze inja kutwala emmotoka. So car is emmotoka in Luganda.
I will take the pizza.
Inze nja kutwala pizza. Inze nja kutwala pizza. Nze nja kutwala pizza.
I will visit you tomorrow.
Inze nja kukukyalira enkya. Inze nja kukukyalira enkya. So I will visit you tomorrow. So we have two pronouns. We have I and you. So I is inje, you igwe. So inze nja kukukyalira enkya. Inze nja kukukyalira enkya. I will visit you tomorrow. It's inze nja kukukyalira enkya.
I took it.
Inze eyakitutte. I took it. Inze eyakitutte. I took it. Inze eyakitutte. Okay, let's proceed.
I took the glass.
Inze eyatutte glass. Inze eyatutte glass. I took the glass. Inze eyatutte glass. Implying that you are the one who took the glass. So inze eyatutte glass.
I took her skirt.
Inze eyatutte sikaati ye. Inze eyatutte sikaati ye. So I took her skirt is inze eyatutte sikaati ye.
I must take her out.
Inze nina okumutwalako okukyakala. Nze nina okumutwalako okukyakala. So I must take her outing is inze nina. I must. Inze nina okumutwalako okukyakala. taking her out is nze nina okumutwalako okucakala. Okay, hope you've learned something. Let's meet up in the next video. Bye bye. Weraba.